Can you solve one of the most popular easy coding question in big tech companies? So given an array representing a flower bed, where zeros are empty spots and ones are flowers. Now 2 flowers cannot be placed in adjacent spots. So given a value n, return true if we can place n more flowers into the flower bed. Let's say we're given this array and n is equal to 2, we can place 2 more flowers in the following spots, so we can return true. Let's go over the thought process. For each of the empty spots, we can place a flower if the left and right spots are empty. And each time we place a flower, we will decrement n. Now if the spot is the first index, then we don't need to check the left side. If the spot is the last index, we don't need to check the right side. Let's implement the function can place flowers, taking the input array and n. If n is equal to 0, return true. Iterate through the indices. If the current slot already has a flower, continue to next index. Now check the left side and check the right side. If both sides are valid, place a flower at the current index. Decrement n. If n is equal to 0, return true. Return false if we cannot place all of the flowers.